हेलो। नमस्कार दोस्तों। मैं सचिन लोमटे आपका मेरे इस पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ में स्वागत करता हूँ। आई थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग अ पॉडकास्ट सीरीज विद द टाइटल Elite Performers Series EPS. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. मैं कोशिश करूँगा इंग्लिश और हिंदी में आपसे बातचीत करूँ। हाँ, और कहीं पर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो अपनी मातृभाषा मराठी का भी इस्तेमाल ज़रूर करना पसंद करूँगा। ये सीरीज़ में पहले 5 भाग होंगे और आज के इस पहले भाग में 3 मुद्दे हैं, टॉकिंग पॉइंट्स: डांस ऑफ डिनायल, फ्लो और फियर ऑफ सक्सेस. So listeners, participants, you can expect to dramatically boost your productivity, creativity, passion, commitment, and certainly play a far higher game professionally as well as personally. Moving to the first talking point, the dance of denial is a term given by a famous public speaker, Tony Robbins. So we should never be in the dance of denial. What does it mean? As human beings, we naturally have a tendency of having a negation for any act which we do normally in our life. There's a part in our brain which is called as lizard brain. Any idea about this? Okay, let me clarify. Now, this brain, it compels us to stay back in our comfort zone. It doesn't want you to take a risk. It prefers to keep you safe. For example, if you wish to start reading today, so the moment you have a thought about doing this, you will prefer to say, हाँ चलो आज मैं चाय पी लेता हूँ, फिर नाश्ता करता हूँ, फिर पढ़ने की शुरुआत करता हूँ. I'll start reading after that. Once you're done with that, then again your brain will say, अभी नहीं, अभी दोपहर का खाना खाने के बाद मैं पढ़ना शुरू करूँगा. And likewise, so there are many instances and events in our life which happen in this way, and we are always in the dance of denial. So we simply cannot afford to have one negative thought at any moment in our life. You know, it starts off small like an embryo, but it grows and grows. So don't be ever in the dance of denial. You normally prefer to say, let me do this when I feel good. Now listen to this statement carefully. I'll explain the meaning of it. You are more likely to act yourself into feeling than to feel yourself into action. I shall repeat. You are more likely to act yourself into feeling than to feel yourself into action. It simply means don't wait to feel good in order to act good. Act first, the feeling will follow. The second talking point is a state of our mind. It's a very magical state which is called as flow, which operates from our muscle memory. It simply means we need to declutter our thoughts, declutter our mind to be into flow of any act, any action, any activity that we take up. We talked about a Japanese word, joriki. So it means focused or concentrated mind. So we need this. So to have focus, we need to declutter. Just like we have a lot of clutter on our tables, work tables. So if it piles up, we have to remove that clutter. Similarly, in our mind, we have to declutter our thoughts and focus and have this magical state of mind that's called flow to gain maximum whatever we endeavor into. The third talking point, fear of success. Normally we hear about fear of failure. Now, what is this fear of success? It is also called as a tall popping syndrome or tall popping flowers syndrome, to be more specific. It means if you're walking in a garden of flowers and there's a flower which is taller as compared to others. So which one would be plucked? Obviously, the one which is taller. So likewise, we also tend to have this kind of syndrome. So what if my presentation becomes more acceptable? What if my video gets accepted? What if I get some success? So there is always a fear of success too. So we need to overcome it. See, we have lot many ideas in our mind. The worst thing to happen is the death of an idea. So it is said death of an idea is worse than the death of a human being. किसी कवि ने क्या खूब कहा है, जब जब किसी पे जग हंसा है तब तब उसी ने इतिहास रचा है. So we need to transform ourselves. What is transformation? A very apt word in English. It means go beyond our form. So जो सफ़र इख्तियार करते हैं वही मंजिलों को पार करते हैं. नज़र का तो ऑपरेशन हो सकता है, बट नज़रिए का ऑपरेशन मुश्किल है, लगभग इम्पॉसिबल है. राइट? सो we should not generalize any event or any failure in our life. We need to have faith. दोस्तों, हमारी ज़िंदगी में सबसे खौफनाक चीज़ हमारी मौत नहीं है. सबसे खौफनाक चीज़ है हमारे सपनों का, हमारे जिंदा दिली का मर जाना. कुछ ऐसे ही जज्बात जावेद अख्तर साहब ने बड़ी खूबसूरती से इन पंक्तियों में पेश किए हैं कि दिलों में तुम अपने बेताबियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. नज़र में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेकर चल रहे हो तुम तो जिंदा हो तुम. हवा के झोंकों जैसा आज़ाद रहना सीखो तुम. एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो तुम. हर एक लम्हे से मिलो तुम खोले अपनी बाहें. हर एक पल नया समा देखे ये निगाहें. जो अपने आँखों में हैरानियाँ लेकर चल रहे हो तुम तो जिंदा हो तुम. दिलों में अपनी बेताबियाँ लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. Ladies and gentlemen, death is not the thing we should be afraid of. We should be afraid of what dies inside us while we are alive. Thank you for listening.